You!
Got fucking eyes on you, mate! Fucking eyes on! Keep it right. That's my fucking finger, pal. Don't jump the fucking car down.
Listen to me.
You've got a fucking mind, mate, alright? Jesus Christ! Alright. God! Yes!
Hey, it's on. Where the fuck is 350? Hey, where the fuck is 350? Great. I'll do. Kilo 2, Bravo, come in. Kilo 2. Kilo 2, Bravo, come in. That's you, Chris. Come on, man. You've got a man down in the worry. Listen, you tell them you're the classy that fucking smart, alright? Go! Go! You fucking wake up. Listen to me, okay? I'm gonna check you for the injuries, yeah? Some morphine into your body, yeah? Fucking hang tight, okay?
Kill 2 Bravo. Kill 2 Bravo. Jarhead, what the fuck's going on? Eyes on them. I want eyes on the one. If anything moves, fucking fast. Just fucking go. Man down, mate. Med Bertie, let's go, yeah? Anyone else got a med kit?
One here, Macca.
Alright, get on here and be involved.
I've got one. Team medic.
Alright, good lad. Come on, man down, boys, let's fucking go!
Ah. You don't know what you're moving into.
Someone's got to fucking do it.